JET JWP-13BT Benchtop Thickness Planer. The missing upgrade for cleaner, quieter milling. You know this feeling if you mill your own lumber. You run a board through the planer, lift it into the light, and the surface looks almost right, but not clean enough to trust without extra sanding. Then the second pass adds a little snipe at the end, and now a simple prep step quietly becomes a longer night in the shop. That adds up fast. The hidden cost is not just wood removed, it is time, patience, airborne dust, and the low-grade frustration of never feeling fully in control of your finish quality. Most woodworkers accept that as normal because they have lived with it for years. Nudge the comments with one word: familiar. If your planer keeps adding cleanup after every pass, is it really helping?
That quiet compromise spreads further than most woodworkers admit. First, it steals time, because rougher surfaces mean more sanding, more checking, and more repeat passes before you can even start joinery. Then, it starts touching money, because dull knives, chipped edges, wasted boards, and extra abrasives become a recurring tax on every project that never shows up on the tool label. After that, it gets into your body. You feel it in your shoulders, in that tiny brace before feeding figured maple, in the dry dust settling on your forearms while the machine winds through another pass. And the part that lands deepest is what it does to your energy. You stop looking forward to milling, so projects slow down, ideas wait longer, and your future self inherits a shop full of almost finished plans. A better rhythm does exist. Then one day, the small annoyance becomes the part of the process you quietly resent most. This is where JET JWP-13BT Benchtop Thickness Planer enters, and everything changes. Its core mechanism is simple. A helical-style cutter head uses multiple small carbide inserts to shear wood cleanly instead of striking it with long, straight knives. That one design choice creates several quiet advantages. You get smoother finishes with less tear out, less vibration through the machine, lower operating noise, easier maintenance when an insert gets nicked, and more consistent results across repeated passes. The two feed speeds let you choose between a finer finish and faster stock removal, while the cast iron bed and four-post design help keep boards flat and reduce snipe. A composite example says it best. One woodworker moved over from a straight knife benchtop planer expecting only a modest improvement. Instead, the first pass on hardwood came out clean enough that sanding dropped from a full session to a quick touch-up. A few days later, a nicked insert was rotated in minutes instead of turning into a full knife change job. And yes, I tested this myself. The surprising part is how quickly the stress disappears and clean milling starts feeling normal. Wait, that's allowed? The proof is not loud, but it keeps stacking. One tester reported the JET 13BT running about 5 decibels quieter than a traditional straight knife planer, while cut quality held up better over time because segmented cutters kept working cleanly longer. The immediate result? Cleaner boards right off the machine. The weekly win? Less sanding, fewer interruptions, and easier recovery when you hit a nick. The long-term payoff? More confidence milling your own stock without planning around noise, maintenance, or inconsistent finish quality. Real users tell the same story from different angles. One said it was a clear step up from a DeWalt, with a smoother finish, better dust removal, and blades that had not dulled noticeably after 9 months. Another said the dressed lumber required very little sanding, and the machine felt much quieter than expected. Industry analysts continue placing it in that sweet spot where helical benefits meet small shop practicality with a gentle edge over straight knife alternatives in finish quality and downtime. I noticed this after 3 weeks. You stop babysitting every pass. Which of these benefits hits you hardest? Comment 1 for clarity, 2 for speed, 3 for control. What the JET JWP-13BT Benchtop Thickness Planer really gives you is not just a smoother board, but a calmer path from rough stock to finished work.
If you have been meaning to upgrade the one part of your process that quietly creates extra sanding, extra noise, and extra second guessing, this is a smart day to take a closer look, because peace of mind tends to pay you back immediately. Link in the description, the first one, pinned to the top. Take a look, see if it fits your shop, and enjoy the process. You earned it.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.